How to get soft hands. Meet Anna. She loves soft hands, but she have dry hands. Actually, she not know why. Her hands dry.
And how she care to protect from dryness doesn't have time to search. That was until she discovered. But I have effective home remedies to get soft hand in short period of time.
Home remedy. 1. You will need 1. Egg yolk.
1. Whisk the egg yolk well. 2. Apply on your hands and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Wash it with mild soap and water to get rid of the foul egg odor.
Remedy 2. Olive oil. 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice. 1 tablespoon. Water. ½ teaspoon. Direction. Mix olive oil, lemon juice and water. Beat the mixture well and apply it on your hands whenever they are wet. After 1 week you will get smooth hands. Remedy 3. Extra virgin coconut oil. 2 teaspoons. A pair of gloves. 1. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and apply it to both your hands. 2. Put a pair of gloves on to help the oil penetrate your skin. 3. Leave it on overnight or for a couple of hours. Remedy 4.
Sugar 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Directions: mix sugar with lemon juice and apply this mixture across your hands till the sugar start getting dissolved. Repeat process daily at least for 1 week and see the results.
After draining the potato, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Mash the potato and add the olive oil. Apply the mask to your hands and allow it to sit 15 minutes. And wash when dry the mask. Additional tips for better results. Wear gloves in cold weather. Avoid hot water on your hands. Drink plenty of water. Moisturize your hand daily.